I went on HIV.gov today, and right on the homepage, I looked at all the choices, and one of them said, U.S. statistics. And here's what I found. I just scrolled down a little bit. Key points. HIV diagnoses. MSM accounted for 69% of new HIV diagnoses in the United States. Everybody got that? And then how about this? Heterosexual men accounted for 7% of new HIV diagnoses. Okay, has everybody got this? So, let's do a little math together. According to a Gallup poll from 2017, they claim that 3.9% of dudes in America are
rainbow community males.
So they're claiming that, let's just round it off. Let's just say 4% of dudes are
rainbow community males,
according to the Gallup poll, right? So that means that would represent about 2% of the United States population, right? Because obviously half of the population are men, half of the population are women. So if we get 50% of the population, and then we take 4% of that, we have 2% of the population are
rainbow community males.
Does everybody understand what I'm saying? So 2% of the population is getting 69% of the HIV. Let's just round that off and say 2% is getting 70%. Now, if everybody was getting it equally, that would mean what? 2% of the population would get 2% of the AIDS, right? 2% of the population should get 2% of the disease. But no, 2% is getting 70% of the disease. That means they're getting it 35 times more than what they would be normally. Okay, but it doesn't stop there, because straight men then would make up what? 48% of the population, right? So 48% of the population, according to AIDS.gov, is getting 7% of the disease of AIDS. Now, again, if everybody's getting it equally, 48% of the people should be getting 48% of the AIDS. But they're only getting 7%. So they're getting like 1/7 as much as you would expect, approximately. So, therefore, if you just do some very simple math, you'll find out that based on those figures, that if you have a
rainbow community male
in America, and you've got a hetero dude in America, the
rainbow dude
is 237 times more likely to get AIDS than a straight dude. I mean, that's pretty serious. I mean, shouldn't we be warning people? Shouldn't we be warning young people? Hey, just so you know, if you decide to engage in that activity, statistically, you're 237 times more likely to get AIDS.